95. Evil changes shape with the times. This line is a philosophical one that sharply points out the relativity between justice and evil. Spoken by former Shichibukai Crocodile. Crocodile was trying to corrupt the Alabasta kingdom from within and take control of the country. At first glance, he is clearly a villain. But he is not just violent, he advocates an ideal called order through domination. Behind this logic lies the idea symbolized by this line. Evil is not absolute. If society defines it as evil, it becomes evil. But conversely, if it is recognized as justice, it becomes a hero. Crocodile's thinking suggests the cold reality that history is rewritten by the victors. This perspective is a theme that runs throughout the world of One Piece. For example, in terms of the will of D, the 100 years of void, and the proposition of what the world government's justice is. The evil, spoken of by pirates like Crocodile, sometimes functions as a mirror that exposes the deception of justice. In fact, even though Luffy and his crew are in the position of evil as pirates, they save many people and earn the trust of many. On the other hand, the Navy and the world government, which claim to be justice, contain corruption and violence. In other words, this line sharply poses questions that go beyond the story and are relevant to the present day. What is true evil? Who decides what it is? Though Crocodile is defeated, this line pierces the hearts of readers and makes us think deeply about how vague and precarious the line between justice and evil is.